So I wanted to record a little bit of something today that I ordered for the Challenger, and here it is. This is, in case you guys can't tell, which you probably can't, got a lot of fluff in here. This is the wide body kit. This is the wide body kit. Every single part, all the hardware, everything. I picked it up off eBay. Came up to about 420 bucks. After taxes and shipping and stuff like that. Good thing it was here in California. It arrived in 2 days after I bought it. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay out all these pieces. I'll be right back so we can take a look at it. So here's the kit, fully laid out. You've got these little strips right here. They go, I assume you drill them on. We're gonna take a look on the inside of these flares, see if there's a clip in there. They brought some double-sided tape. They gave us the front side markers because we don't need the rear ones. We have the wide body for the front right, front left. You hear a little bit of hardware in there as well. And we just have it all around here. So the kit, like I said, cost me about 400 bucks after taxes. Fairly way more cheap than, or I'm sorry, more affordable anyway, than doing OEM. And it's unfortunate, but sometimes that's the way it goes. We just want the look, right? So the next couple videos will be of me installing it and trying to get this thing on. I think that this is a great start. Hopefully you guys will keep following along with me. Sorry for the slow updates. Working 16-hour shifts. Also, new job starting on Monday. Got a management position, so we'll see how it goes from there. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.